Right here I have the canopy that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing the 10x8 canopy from Garvey. And we're going to go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. Packaging comes really nice. Doesn't look like anything is damaged. This should be really easy to open up. That is super nice. So honestly, as soon as you take it right out of the box, it's already bagged up, ready to go. So if you'd like to get one of these and just go right onto a trip, you don't have to pack anything up or assemble it. You can take it right out of the box and you have a nice handle all ready to go. And this handle is actually pretty light and really easy to carry. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. And then we are gonna set this up. A little bit more on that side of it so it'll be easier. Nice QR code to help you out and a little bit of customer service help. I love this bag, it's really high quality and it is gonna come with a bunch of different pieces on here that are gonna help you install this. Now we do have rope for tie downs. It's also gonna come with enough stakes. So if you do wanna bring a rubber mallet or a hammer, you can stake this into the ground. It has a nice bend on here, so sometimes you can just step on it with your foot into the grass. And there are gonna be holes on the bottom of the feet so you can stake this down. Now opening up just a little bit more, we can see that on the side, it's actually going to give you 4 really nice sandbags. Now, if you are going to be on the beach, this is going to be really practical. We have Velcro here. You can just fill these right up with sand. And on the inside is actually going to be a rubber-like material. So the sand is not going to stick in there. So all you got to do is fill that up and you can strap this right onto the side, just around in a loop onto the poles. And it'll keep this thing weighted down even when you're on the beach. So that is a really nice feature that I haven't seen. We're also going to get the direction booklet. It's going to show you how to assemble this. And then my favorite part, the cover for the top. So this is going to be weatherproof. And it's also going to have a UV protection. This is going to be a really nice material, UV protected, so you know that when you have this in the sun, you're going to stay nice and protected. And we have a nice silver reflective material on here. So this is just going to ensure that as you stay nice and cool under your canopy. Each end is going to have a little latch on here. And then we're also going to have curved edges, so this is going to fit perfectly. So let's go ahead and set this up. All right, guys, this is the Garvey 10x10 tent pop-up. As you saw in the video, me and my wife set this thing up and it was not that difficult. We have a UV protectant on the top. These do come in different colors, so you can pick your preference to match. I thought this blue would be absolutely amazing. Now, guys, this is UV protectant, so if you are out in the sun, it is going to provide a lot of protection. Now, as you can see, we do have adjustments here with nice levers, very easy to use. And we also have holes on the bottom of each one of these. So if you do want to stake this down for a little bit of wind resistance, that does come in the kit. Now, we also have these sandbags right here. So if you're on the beach, you can throw sand on here so the wind doesn't go ahead and take it. And they actually have 4 pouches so you can put this on each corner. It's absolutely amazing. This does have a nice adjustable height. And I do like on the inside how they have these Velcros so you can make this really adjustable and secure. As you can see, this is me in it right now. You're all done. This thing goes right into the carrying case with a nice zipper, and you do have a handle, so this is very easy to transport. It also comes with string, and this thing's really durable. I really love this tent. Very easy to use. It looks amazing, super practical, very durable, quick and easy setup. I highly recommend this. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.